First aid is critical in emergencies, providing immediate care to injured individuals. It involves assessing the situation and administering appropriate treatment quickly. The primary goals are to preserve life, prevent worsening conditions, and promote recovery. Knowing basic first aid can make a significant difference in emergencies. Common first aid procedures include CPR, wound dressing, and treating burns. CPR is vital when a person is unresponsive and not breathing normally. To perform CPR, apply chest compressions and rescue breaths if trained. Bandaging wounds helps stop bleeding and protect it from infection. For burns, cool the affected area with water and cover with a sterile bandage. Ensure you are safe before helping others to avoid additional casualties. First aid kits are essential tools, stocked with items like bandages and antiseptics. Regularly check and restock your first aid kit to keep it ready for emergencies. Taking a certified first aid course increases your confidence and knowledge. Remember, immediate care greatly impacts the victim's chances of recovery. Stay calm and provide reassurance to the injured person until professional help arrives. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like this video, kindly like, share it and also subscribe and follow my channel Show Up Views.